that it's okay not to be okay. That there may be moments during the holidays that you're a 10 out of 10, and other times you might be like a negative 10 out of 10. And that's one of the reasons that I wrote this article in the Drive magazine. And it's the idea that we need to lean into our negative and most challenging emotions, especially during the holidays, because emotions are intensified. And one of the reasons for that is that emotions are almost purely physiological, but when we're surrounded by people, we look around us, and this is one of the reasons for FOMO, and we think, you know what, they're having a great time, they're having a great time, they're having a great time, add in social media, and it heightens it for you if you're not. So let's take the pressure off. Let's decide together how we want to experience emotions during the holidays, how we want to experience thoughts, behaviors, experiences. And my suggestion is we do it moment by moment. Because when we experience something challenging, if we realize it's not permanent, if we let it flow through us, then it will in fact do that. And just like the positive parts, if we realize it's temporary, we're going to enjoy it that much more because it is fleeting. Wishing you a holiday filled with self-compassion, understanding, the realization that it's okay not to be okay. And that moment by moment, you and I can do just about anything.